Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about Introduction to Angular. Angular is a widely used web application framework developed and supported by Google. It leverages TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, to enhance the development process. Angular provides a comprehensive suite of tools and libraries to streamline web development tasks. Additionally, Angular offers a vast array of features for creating dynamic and interactive web applications. For instance, Angular's two-way data binding allows for automatic synchronization of data between the view and model components, simplifying data management and improving user experiences. This framework's popularity and continued support from Google make it a valuable tool for developers seeking efficient and powerful solutions for web development projects. Angular applications have three key elements: components, modules, and services. Components are reusable building blocks used to construct Angular applications, simplifying development by breaking down complex structures into manageable parts. Modules play a crucial role in organizing Angular applications, allowing developers to efficiently manage code dependencies and enhance the maintainability of the project. Services in Angular are essential for sharing data and functionality among different components or modules within an application, promoting code reusability and ensuring a more cohesive and scalable design. For example, a service could be utilized to handle authentication logic across various components, maintaining consistency and improving overall application performance. To create a basic Angular component, you first import the component decorator from @angular/core. Next, you define a class that represents the component, commonly named with the suffix component. Within this class, declare properties and methods as needed. The component decorator is then used to decorate the class. It takes an object with metadata such as selector, the selector for the component, template URL, path to the HTML template file, and style URLs, array of URLs for the style files. Lastly, create the component class and assign values to its properties. For instance, the given example imports component from Angular and uses it to create a component named app_component with a title property initialized to my Angular app. The provided Angular service named DataService demonstrates the usage of Angular services to communicate with an API. In this example, the HTTP client module is imported and injected in the services constructor. The fetchData method is defined within the service to issue an HTTP GET request to retrieve data from the specified API endpoint http://api example.com/data. By calling the fetchData method on an instance of DataService, the service sends a request to the API and returns the data obtained. This concept is commonly used in web development to interact with back-end services, retrieve dynamic data from servers, and update the front end with the received information, ensuring seamless data flow and real-time updates in applications. Learning Angular is like studying a new recipe for baking a cake. Just like following a recipe step by step to create a delicious cake, in Angular, you follow the instructions in the code to create a functional web application. Each ingredient in the recipe corresponds to a component or directive in Angular. The final cake represents the fully developed web application built using Angular. As you practice more and experiment with different ingredients, you become more proficient in creating various types of cakes. Similarly, by building different applications with Angular, you become more skilled in web development. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, w.atg.world. The code snippet above illustrates an Angular recipe example, likened to the process of baking a cake. In this recipe, Step 1 involves importing necessary modules, ingredients, from Angular, similar to gathering ingredients for baking. Step 2 creates a component, baking pan, for the web application with a template displaying a welcome message and description. Step 3 defines the class for the component, acting as recipe instructions. Step 4 adds more components, services, and directives to enhance the flavor of the web application. Step 5 mixes all ingredients together in the main module file, baking oven, app.module.ts. Step 6 bakes the cake by running the ng-serve command to see the web application come to life. Step 7 serves the delicious Angular cake to users by deploying the application. Step 8 concludes by highlighting the satisfaction of creating a beautiful and functional web application using Angular. By following these steps, developers can effectively build and deploy web applications using Angular, like creating a delicious cake for users to enjoy. The process involves preparation, mixing, baking, and serving, resulting in a delightful end product that users can interact with. One real-world example of an application that uses Angular is Gmail. Gmail's web interface utilizes Angular to provide users with a responsive and dynamic email experience. Angular's data binding capabilities and component structure help manage the complex interactions within an email client, allowing users to seamlessly navigate their inbox, compose emails, and manage settings. Another industrial example is the official website of Forbes. Forbes.com is built using Angular to deliver a fast and engaging user experience. Angular's ability to handle large amounts of content efficiently makes it a great choice for content-heavy websites like Forbes, where articles, videos, and advertisements need to be managed effectively for a smooth browsing experience. Across the globe, Angular is a versatile framework that powers a wide range of applications, from email clients to news websites, showcasing its adaptability and scalability. It continues to be a popular choice for developers looking to create dynamic and responsive web applications with ease. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.